Hello everybody, how are you all doing? Let me show you how to convert your images into TIFF files. For that, I will go to Microsoft Word and open a blank document. This is our blank document. I will go to Insert, Pictures, and click on this device and insert an image from my computer into this document. I will click on this image and right click and save as picture. This option will let you save your images. We have 6 options right here, and this option, tag, image, fit, format, this is your TIFF format for saving this picture, and I will save it in my computer. And that's all. Let me show you how this image looks like after getting saved. Picture 1, there we go. This is our converted image in TIFF format. That's all you needed to do. Have a good day and subscribe to my channel. And if there are any other videos you want me to make or you need any more tutorials, just leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.